Well, it's not often that we get a chance to showcase some of the very fine design work that's done by some of our gCADPlus users. We often show designs in our CAD software, but rarely the finished product. Here's an example from Paris, where a courtyard, let's have a look at the site, a courtyard with some paving in an unusual triangular fashion, and some walls where clearly one of those figs has been grown up the wall, and the client wanted to make and utilise this interesting space. Quite often a challenging site like that one encourages designers to come up with a unique solution, and what our design has done here, I think, is very, very clever. Uses some painting on the walls, uses mirrors to create a sense of a larger space, but uses that triangular piece as the centerpiece for the design. And I think that's an extremely clever thing to do when faced with a difficult and awkward site. Quite often the designs that you can come up with are better than when you're just given a blank canvas. I also really like the use of these espaliered trees. Looks a little like an olive, but maybe some other species, and they've been trained in a standard form on an espalier frame and relatively tall. So what that gives is again a sense of vertical space. Well, I'll put the web address for this group on the bottom of the screen, and I'll include it in the posting.